Hey guys, Barbara here. Are you moving to Google Docs? Great choice. Let's check it out. Google Docs is Google's cloud-based word processor that lets you access, edit, and collaborate in real time from anywhere and from any device. This is more than just letters and words on a page. Docs will bring your documents to life while collaborating with your team. Google has integrated search features directly into the tool, so there is no need to leave your document once you get started. This makes your document creation faster than ever before. Google has also integrated machine learning into Google Docs through their incorporation of an Explore tool. Here, you have access to images, referencing for websites, and more. My favorite feature of Google Docs is that I don't have to remember to click Save. Google saves automatically in the background. How handy is that? Another life-changing feature is the version history. Any edits that are made are tracked in the document. It even tracks who types what and what time they made the edit. Check out our video on version history to learn more about this feature. For now, let's get you set up with navigating and understanding the layout of this innovative tool. There are two ways to get started with Google Docs, from your waffle in Google Drive or from Google Drive itself. Let's start from the waffle. Open Google Docs. This is the Google Docs landing page. It is here that you will find any documents that you have been working on. They will appear as an audit trail. You are able to sort the screen to documents not owned by you, or owned by anyone. If you don't like the grid view layout, change over to list view. You will now be able to see who owns the documents and when they were last opened. Both of these views have the three little dots. From the three dots, you are able to rename your document, send it to trash, open it in a new tab, or make it available offline. Check out our video on using Google Drive offline to learn more about this feature. You can pick files from here, or alternatively, search for them using the search bar at the top of this page. Google has a number of templates that you can use for inspiration. In order to peruse the templates, open your template gallery. Here, you will see that there are two sections to the template gallery. The General section has a number of templates from Google, and then your organization can have a template gallery as well. The Organizational Template Gallery gives you the ability to create letterheads, newsletter templates, and more with your own branding. From the General section, you can select a template made available to you from Google, and it will open. Once the template is open, you can simply go and customize it to your needs. Replace the images with your own, change the font, type what you need, and just like that, you have a great-looking document. Let's head back to the Google Docs landing page. You can do this by simply clicking on the little Google Docs icon that appears in the top left-hand side of the document. Notice how I can see that document on my screen? It will now be part of this audit trail as these documents are sorted by those owned by me. In the top left, you are able to open another Google Workspace tool from the menu. Selecting a blank doc will let you start a doc from scratch. Let's go ahead and do that. As your doc opens, the first thing to do is give it a name. In the top left-hand corner, type in your document title. Watch the video on working with files and folders in Google Drive to learn more about how to organize your documents in Google Drive. This is the Google Docs interface, where all your document creation and collaboration will happen. At the top of the document, you have your menu bar. Here, you are able to make a copy of the document should you need to do so. If you are working on a document and you need to send it to someone, you don't have to open Gmail in order to do that. Gmail is integrated directly into Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. From this option on the menu, you are able to email the collaborators of the document or send it as an attachment. A window will open where you can add in the recipient's name, the subject line of your email, the message you would like to send them, or alternatively, if this is the message, you can also choose to use the contents of the document to become your message of your email. If you would like to attach the document, you can decide if you would like it to be a PDF or one of the other options that appear from the menu. When you are ready, you can choose to send. If you need to download this document, you can do this from the File menu as well. Hover over the download option and you will see there are various formats that you have to download to. We have a few videos to explain some of these other features. Be sure to check them out to learn more about what they entail. At the bottom of this menu, you have the option for page setup. Here, you can choose whether you would like your page to be portrait or landscape. You are able to select the page size, change the page color. Here, you are able to add a custom color to suit your branding needs should you need to do so. On the right-hand side, you are able to adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins. This will simply move the edges of your page closer to the edge and give your page a bit more space. Continuing on this menu, you will find your standard editing functions such as undo, redo, copy, and paste. You also have shortcuts to these with your undo and redo arrows that appear on your toolbar, or simply right-click to copy and paste. From the View menu, you are able to switch between editing, suggesting, and viewing mode. You can also do this from the top right-hand side of a document. Here, you can choose to have the ruler visible or not, see the document outline, and make your equation toolbar visible. Notice how the equation options appear below. You have a number of options to choose from. The final options in the View menu are to see section breaks and to go into full screen. We cover the Insert menu over a series of other videos, so be sure to check out these and learn more about the options you have available from this menu. The same goes for the Format menu and the Tools menu. We do not cover add-ons in this series. However, should this be something that interests you, there are many add-ons to choose from. Add-ons give your document extra functionality that was not there before, but are only available if your organization has made them available with your account. If you are looking for some help articles, you can do this from here. You are able to see any new updates in Google Docs or report a problem directly to Google should you wish to do so. Google appreciates feedback, so be sure to let them know if there's anything that's giving you trouble. The toolbar that appears below your menu is all to do with text. We have a video on that too. To the far right of this toolbar is a little arrow. Here, you can change the view of your document a bit more and hide the top section of Google Docs. Simply select the arrow again to unhide it. In the top right-hand corner is where you will be able to share your documents. We cover sharing in great detail in our video on sharing from Google Drive. On the right-hand side of Google Docs, you will see quick access to Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google Tasks, which means you can use these tools while working in your document without needing to open a new tab. I hope that you will enjoy using Google Docs as much as I do. Remember, moving to any new tool takes time and practice. The quicker you delve into the tool and embrace a new way of working, the easier and more efficient your document creation will become.